Hello, beautiful friends. It's Lynette here. And I was inspired last year by Nikki. She did her window in her kitchen, and it was adorable. So I want to redo this window. I'm not going to do a ton in this kitchen this year just because I feel stressed and like I'm running out of time. But I want to show you how we're going to dress this window up for Christmas. Okay, I went into my stash and the first thing I saw was this small Christmas skirt. And I'm thinking if I just place it over this curtain, that could be cute. This turned out so good, you guys. So I just kind of put the Christmas tree skirt up and over the curtain. And then I hung a little wreath holder, and I'm gonna put a wreath up there. And now I think just a little napkin right there in the window. So up in this cabinet here, I store all my Christmas like dishes and mugs and things like that. So I just grabbed a few things out that I thought I might use. Last year Nikki did it with all coffee mugs. I think I'm gonna mix mine up a little just because I have some other things just around the house that I think would look cute in it. But we're just gonna play around and see what this windowsill is gonna look like. And then I just went and searched my decor for some Christmas trees. Let's just see what we can do here. I placed the coffee mugs. I thought it kind of looked cute like this. And then I had a couple little fireplace holders that I thought might look cute. Now I just want to put some Christmas trees in here. And I think I want a few snips of greenery. So I'm just coming out here and cutting a few off my tree. So I went out and I grabbed some pine. I grabbed a little bit of yarrow because I just thought it looked pretty. This is the yarrow here. Not sure how long it's going to last, but a little bit of cypress. And then I always try to wet the ends of it, thinking it might help it to not dry out. And then you can do it every now and then throughout the season. A little bit of spruce here. My husband actually hates when I bring in the fresh pine because needles get everywhere. So I agree, it does. But what I was thinking is this is kind of in an area, you know, of the house that we don't use a whole lot. This is kind of I like to call this kitchen my dirty kitchen. It's where I do a lot of my planting and, you know, crafting kind of stuff. But I really love to use fresh pine because I think it just smells so good. And I love how natural it looks. Wow, I absolutely love it, you guys. This is so easy, and you guys can do this on a really, really little budget. You could go to the Dollar Tree and grab some coffee mugs, or if you got Christmas coffee mugs already, and you really don't even need the Christmas trees on top. If you had a few, you could do that, and then you could also put fresh greenery in the mugs as well. But I just think it looks really, really good.
Hello, beautiful friends. Nikki here. I just wanted to share my window from this Christmas 2025. Lynette has inspired me to become a much better decorator, or I guess more, I get more creative with it. I've started using a lot more greenery in my decor, and I've never would have thought to put curtains up in my window, but I just love it. And with a bonus today, it snowed last night. We got like 2 to 4 inches. It's like a winter wonderland out there. But I just used some trees I had. My mom had gotten me this ski decor, and we are big fans of skiing. My older son lives out west, and I just am gonna love looking out this window every day, especially with the snow out there, and thinking of my son. But this is beautiful. I changed it up just a little. I put lights on the bottom this time. I put some greenery with bells and berries at the top. And all of that is hung. My curtains are hung with thumbtacks because nothing else would hold. So I just thumbtacked in between, and they're actually not curtains. It is a shower curtain that I sliced in half. Again, I think that was Lynette's idea last Christmas. So anyways, you guys go out and find your passion today. And if you have snow where you are, because I think most of the West and Midwest got it, enjoy the beauty of it. Even though it's chilly, go find your passion today.
Okay guys, go find some Christmas trees and a windowsill and go find your passion today. Thank you guys.
And don't forget to hit subscribe, like, comment, tell us what you like. We would love for you to join our YouTube family. And we have lots of videos from last Christmas too. So if you need some ideas, inspiration, or just want to relax and enjoy some Christmas decorations, check them out. Thank you.